Well, indeed, Nikhil, we're so proud to be able to host all these exceptional women and men this evening from the world of business. The event starts, like you said, in just a couple of minutes as we're awaiting the finance minister to arrive. Yes, of course, it's been a tough one to organize, what with dates, logistical issues or otherwise. But here's what we can promise over the next 2 hours for all our viewers from across the country.
Bianca, I'm going to answer that question, but before that, Devina has just got in Mr. Adi Godrej. Let's just listen into what he has to say.
Sir, thank you so much, first of all, for joining us right now. And it is a great evening to have India Inc.'s best minds and best men and women out here right now. From your end, sir, FM is coming, and I know that be it FMCG, be it real estate, you've been pretty vocal about how there has to be more synergy between corporate India and the government policies. What will be your one demand for the FM right now?
No, I think we must clearly get the reform process going. The opportunities are tremendous. We need reforms, especially to my mind, the biggest reform that we need to bring in is the goods and services tax. It can provide a great fillip to the Indian economy and create tremendous growth.
So what will be your wish list for 2012, that begin the year coming ahead? What are you looking forward to?
Well, I think it can be a very good year for India. We've unfortunately slowed down and we need to accelerate again. And as I mentioned, if we can get the reform process going, there's tremendous opportunity, despite whatever happens in the rest of the world.
Right. Thank you so much, sir. Have a great evening, sir. Thank you so much. So that was Adi Godrej again talking about the fact that it will be a tough year, but then he's also looking forward to the fact that he will be requesting the finance minister about reducing the interest rate and also going ahead looking at more in terms of having more synergies between the corporate India and the government as well. But also Nikhil here has